Hello bachcho. So today we are here with our worksheet number 58 from Directorate of Education, class 9, subject science, and today we discuss about mass and weight. What is the difference between the mass and weight? Then Jigyasa Didi reply, we know that mass of an object is the measure of its inertia. Greater the mass is greater will be its inertia. The mass of an object is the amount of the matter it contains. So what is the mass, student? Mass means the amount of matter it contains. And what is the weight? The weight is a force. Which force? With which the body attracts that object. So by the force earth attracts us. That is our weight. And the amount of matter present in our body is called the mass. Mass is fixed, student. It doesn't change, but the weight changes from place to place. How weight changes? Let's see. The force of attraction of the earth on an object is known as the weight. And what is the formula of the weight? W equals to mg. M means mass and g means gravitation, acceleration due to gravity. Weight always acting downward. Downward means it also give direction. So it is a vector quantity, student, because it tells about the magnitude and direction both. The weight of any object on any celestial body, not on the earth, on any other planet, any other satellite, student, these depend upon the gravitational force. If the weight of an object on the moon will be equal to the gravitational force of the moon, the mass of the moon is less. So it has lesser g, and lesser g means the lesser weight. Therefore, the weight of an object on the moon is less than the weight of the same object at the surface of earth. Now, the next difference, the unit of mass is kg and the unit of weight is Newton. Mass of an object is 10 kg, then what will be the mass on earth? So we have to calculate on earth. So W equals to 1 by 6 WE. This is the formula. On the moon, that is 10 kg. It's very simple, student. The mass is 10 kg. Then we have to calculate the weight. Formula of weight is m into g. What is the value of m here? 10 kg. And what is the value of g? That is 9.8. So the weight is 98 Newton. What is the unit of weight? Newton. So it is 98 Newton. Okay. Now let's see how the weight changes on the surface of moon. There is a mathematical expression. This is the weight of the moon. Weight is force. F equals to g, mass of the moon, into mass of object upon r square. And for earth, this is the formula same, but we write WE here, and for moon we write WM here. Now put both these in the form of ratio. And when we put all the values and calculate, then we get 1 by 6. It means the weight of the object on the moon is 1 by 6 of the weight of the object on the earth. Suppose if your weight on the earth is 48. What is the weight on the earth? That is 48. Then what will be on the moon? What is the formula? Weight on the moon is equal to 1 by 6 weight on the earth. If the weight on the moon is 48 Newton, student, 48 equals to 1 by 6 WE. We have to calculate WE. No, we have to calculate Wm. We is our 48, 6 8 ja 48. So Wm is equals to 8 Newton. It means if you are at the earth, then you will be 48 Newton, and if you are at the moon, you are of 8 Newton. It means your weight reduced by 6 times. Okay, now let's do exercise questions. First one, where will be the mass of an object will be lesser on the moon and on the earth? So what is the answer of your first question? It is less on the moon because on the moon the less G produced. So this is the answer of your first question, student. Second, derive a mathematical expression. So you have to do that mathematical expression. This is your second answer, student. Third one, on what factor does the weight depends? Weight depends upon the gravitational force. So this is your third answer. And the last question is, the weight of a person on the moon is 10 Newton. What is the weight on earth? So we have to solve this. Fourth answer, your formula is Wm equals to 1 by 6 of We. Weight on the moon is 10. 1 by 6 We. We have to calculate We. So We here, 6 get multiplied by 10, and that is 10 6 the 60 Newton. On the earth it is 60 Newton. This is the answer of your fourth question, student. This worksheet is very simple but very important, and you have to write the difference, at least 4 differences between the mass and weight. All the 4 differences are given in your worksheet. So write the important question, difference between mass and weight, in your notebook, and also solve the NCERT question of the weight and mass from your NCERT book in your notebook. And if you like that worksheet, please share among your friend circle. Subscribe our channel Learning Light to get more updates. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.